Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 4 online. Many players dream of exploring the Commonwealth with friends, but the reality is a bit more complex. Fallout 4 was built from the ground up as a rich, single-player adventure, focusing on individual storytelling and exploration. Unfortunately, this means there isn't an official way to team up with others in the game. Creating a seamless multiplayer experience for a game like Fallout 4 presents significant technical challenges. The game's engine was never designed to synchronize multiple players, their actions, and the dynamic world state across different computers. Things like shared quest progression, consistent enemy behavior, and synchronized inventory management are incredibly difficult to implement in a game originally built for one player. Over the years, dedicated modding communities have attempted to bring multiplayer to Fallout 4. Projects like the Fallout 4 Multiplayer Mod, or F4MP, showed great promise. However, these ambitious endeavors faced numerous technical issues and are unfortunately no longer functional or actively developed. While some mods allow for indirect interactions, like leaving notes for other players, they do not offer real-time cooperative gameplay. If playing a Fallout game with friends is your main goal, the best official option is Fallout 76. This title was specifically designed for online multiplayer, allowing you to explore a vast wasteland, complete quests, and build settlements alongside other players. While it's a different experience from Fallout 4, it provides the cooperative adventure many fans are looking for in the Fallout universe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.